So let's talk about the near bridge. So the near bridge is something you want to really pay attention to. It's a to tap into existing network. It's like leverage. So rather than you try to bootstrap your network from this onset, why not you tap into something that is already successful and there is a whole market around it, and then take that while you have the leverage. So it's basically, if you have assets on the near chain and you feel that you want to bridge them over to why do we build bridges? Okay, this is California, and then this is another. You need a bridge, all right? If there is like a ocean or whatever to take your goods from here, and probably the goods here are cheaper here, and you feel that there's a bigger market there, or you feel that, oh, this is a bigger market, I can buy goods from there and then sell over at the ship. So the near bridge is something that is brought with such an idea. So there are certain reasons why you might want to use that. One of them is the issue around Ethereum. So Ethereum right now, if you're using something like Uniswap, let's try that. So I want to swap some Dovo coins I have in my wallet. If you want to click approve here, you will see the exorbitant fees. So this is just to approve the transaction. It's telling me I have to pay this amount. Let me bring it to the context of the country where I stay to tell you it's charging me 20.84 times. I think this is the rate now. But so I have to pay this in my country's currency to swap this stuff, which is not likely. And my country's minimum wage is, I think, around this amount. So meaning if I do 30 transactions, I would have spent it now. So the question is, what is the profit margin? So to buy this, then what if I want to sell? So those are some of the reasons why you might want to bridge your asset. So if I also come now and I want to do something that is simple on the near bridge or something, and I want to swap, do a simple swap or doing a comparison now. Okay, do I have some coins in my portfolio? Okay, let me deposit some of them. Let me deposit this our accounts. Do a swap. I just want to show you the two networks. Okay, so I have some coins now. Let me do some swap. Now let's compare the fees. Let's compare the fees as it pops up. So I will not transfer this. So it's charging me this amount of near. I think near is around, is it $5 or $6? Let's put that $6. So this is the fee it's charging me. So you can see how cheap it is. You allow. And then an error actually occurred. Let's try this so that you see it, so that you know that it's something that there was an error that occurred. Let's see, go around that error. Allow. Okay, as you can see, the transaction was successful. And we can check it on chain. Now you can see the difference between this whole two network. So as the near ecosystem grows and grows, there will be more projects building on it, and you want to just bridge your assets. So there are different reasons why you might want to bridge your assets. Probably you don't have money to buy extra assets, and you feel that, oh, I have some assets on Ethereum, why not me take them to? So how do you bridge them? You come to the Ethereum.bridge. If you go on the near website, you will see the link. You go to the near website, you can just see it from there, and then now you choose your Ethereum, choose Ethereum network, then you choose your near wallet. So you are saying, I'm bridging from this wallet to this wallet. So I've successfully inputted my details. So you click allow. Now, so it has been connected. Let's connect this again. Okay. Now let's begin the operation. Begin your transfer. So I can select an ERC20. Like say die. It will tell me this is how much I need to die. To tell me how much I'm going to receive. Okay, then you can confirm this transaction. I'm not doing this. I'm just doing it for then it's for you to bridge it. This is the amount. So you already know there is high transaction fees. So I'm rejecting this. Another thing you might do now is to transfer back and forth. So maybe you have from the near, want to transfer from near to Ethereum. Okay, let's see how the process works. But I could actually swap and work with you. But the whole process is basically simple. Transfer it back and forth. But if I transfer it from Ethereum to near, it's more costly.